Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today this video we will learn a letter. The topic of letter is write a letter to your mother who is worried about your health. Examination hall, comma, city dot a dot b dot c dot August 10, 2023. My dear mother, I received your letter yesterday. You need not worry about my health. I had an attack of fever and bad cold last week. Perhaps it was due to a sudden change in weather. Our school doctor examined me thoroughly. He gave me some medicines. I took those medicines regularly, and by the grace of God got better. I took complete rest for 4 days. Ali's mother nursed me very carefully. She is very kind lady. Now I have fully recovered and have started going to school. Remember me to everyone. Yours loving daughter, x dot y dot z dot. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.